Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Gigi from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a curve across for the bottom of the hat. And now step in from the sides and let's draw a curve down and in on both sides for the shape of the head. Next, we're going to hop inside and draw the eyes. Near the top, let's draw two angled lines. And then a large curve underneath. And now thicken these lines up slightly. Next, let's hop inside the eyes and let's draw a curve at the top for the pupils. And color both of these in black. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw two skinny black V shapes underneath for the eyelashes. And then a curve underneath in the center for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's draw the hat. From both sides, let's draw a curve up. And then a curve across at the top. Next, on both sides, let's draw a small bump up. Another curve across. And then a large curve on top to close off the hat. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the head in the center, let's draw a small line down. And then curve it out and back up on both sides. And then add another curved square shape on both sides like this. Now top underneath and let's draw an angled line out and curve it in. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now underneath, we're going to draw 4 curved square shapes in the same way as the top. Now that we're the shape of the sweater, let's move in and let's draw the star. Let's draw 5 curved points to form a star shape. And that's it for the torso. Next, let's hop out and let's add the arms. Let's start by hopping out and let's draw a curve across on both sides like this. And then underneath, we're going to angle it out and curve it in. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now underneath each of the sleeves, let's draw 2 lines down. And then a curve across. And then add some stripes inside this bottom section. Now to finish off the arms, let's draw 2 angles down on both sides to attach it to the body. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move underneath and add the legs. We'll start with 2 long lines down underneath, and then a shorter set next to it. Now for the feet, let's curve it out and bring it in. And that's it for Gigi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!